Hey guys, update on yesterday's video. Why do I bother 2018 has been clearly hacked because your current password is incorrect. Because I was testing out my password. So, yeah, that's really sad. Now my password has been hacked. So, that's not really surprising, honestly. I'm going to go to home. I'm going to see, if anything's changed, if they've done anything. Yeah, I've been looking at them. I looked at other ones before this. So, that's, in case you didn't know. So, yeah, that's basically what's been going on. And now, why do I love 2018 has been, in fact, hacked. I know this is really short. Even shorter than my other video. My other video was just explaining how it's evil. Okay. So, yeah, that's about it. Why do I bother 2018? Has been, in fact,